How to generate leads using social media. Generating leads. This is a very important step. And before you plan your social media assault, start by optimizing your profile so that you can identify organic leads first. This is the starting step before you plan any social media campaign. Your profile should have all the information that will help the viewers shop, sign up for your newsletter, and such. You need to add your contact information so that they know how to reach you if they have customer queries. This includes information like your phone numbers, email ID, and responses via messages. If there is another way, add that too. Launch good lead magnet offers. If you give the customer the right incentive, they might just be forced to share their information with you for free. So what is the right incentive? You need a lead magnet offer that appeals to your target audience. Whether it is a report or a free tool, find out what it is by analyzing their behavior. Sometimes these offers also include webinars, white papers, and discounts. It depends entirely on the product or service that you are offering. Don't forget about special offers. Now, when we say special offers, we are also talking about freebies. They say there are no free lunches, but sometimes a snack isn't so bad. So, make sure you figure out what giveaways will attract attention on social media. These kinds of campaigns are very popular on social media and typically come with an entry form. All they need to do is fill up a form and collect their freebie. This gives you information and them something for free. It is a win-win for everyone involved. Don't underestimate clickbaits. Then there is the beast on the internet called clickbait. You need compelling content, but the internet is also a place where everyone has a short attention span. So sometimes, even if you have good content, it is hard to create the attention it deserves. The post needs to have sharp text, and the images must be compelling. Your creative team must be on fire if you want to create usable links. Share testimonials. People tend to trust people they know or can relate to, and offering such proof in the form of testimonials is a great way to gain their trust, and yes, it converts into great leads too. Businesses are known to do this by showing off about the clients who have benefited from their products and services. This gives your brand credibility. Unless you're Apple, that is its own brand ambassador. Learn about sequential retargeting ads. It means that the customers who visit your website or pages are put through a sequence of ads once they leave the page. That way they don't have to suffer through the same ad, no matter how good it is. Don't get offended, over and over again. Instead, they see a whole set of ads that play sequentially. What this strategy does is that it amplifies your ability to advertise on social media, which helps you re-engage the audience you missed in the first go. This creates a lot of prospects for generating leads.